LG has launched a monitor in the LG Gram series, and it is a plus-view 16-inch WQXGA screen. Together with its accompanying stand, the USB-C powered LG Gram 16-inch monitor weighs less than 1 kilogram. Unlike the previous models in the Gram series of laptops, the new model is a monitor that can be connected via USB-C cable. The new LG Gram Plus View 16MQ70 has an IPS panel 2560xby 1600 pixels that is 16 inches wide. It is unlike the existing 15.6 inches monitors as it offers a more balanced and square screen ratio. The new LG Gram monitor has a WQXGA screen with a 16:10 aspect ratio. The higher aspect ratio affords extra vertical resolution and better productivity than the prevalent 16:9 aspect ratio. The LG Gram Plus View 16MQ70 has the same screen specification as the 2022 LG Gram laptop, and we expect a remarkable output. While the monitor itself weighs 670 grams, the Folio cover stand is about 320 grams, bringing the total weight of the product to be 990 grams. The cover is a great addition to the monitor as it provides a solid balance and leverage to prop it according to the user's choice. It is noted that the LG Gram new monitor has a pretty low refresh rate of 60 Hz and a response time of 30 milliseconds. These properties could make the monitor sluggish, especially in gaming applications. Users can prop the monitor up to 170 degrees for a variety of viewing angles. Other features of the LG Gram Plus View 16MQ70 monitor include auto pivot display, OSD, anti-glare screen coating, low blue light mode, 2 USB-C ports, and a brightness adjuster. The monitor, however, lacks speakers, as the user may have to use external speakers for applications. The new LG Gram monitor will be available in Japan from mid-April. Other markets will also follow, including the US, where it is already listed for $349. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, share the video with your friends. Just hit the subscribe button, and most importantly, have an awesome day. I'll catch all of you in the next video. See you.